Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Jetutal, and the song is Jumpstart.
In the dark of the city, backward something stirs, then slips away. Law and order in darkest nights, bridge crime and punishment at play. Yeah, Mr. Policeman, won't you come on over? Hook me up to the power lines of your love. Jumpstart, tow me away. Jumpstart, tow me away. Through the bruised machinery, glass smoking haze of industry. Another day with ball and chain, I do my time and home again. Yeah, Mrs. Maggie, won't you come on over? Put me up to the power lines of your love. Jumpstart, tow me away. Jumpstart, tow me away. Should I blame the officers or maybe I should blame the priest? Or should I blame the poor foot soldiers left to make the most from these? Hey Jack the Ripper, won't you come on over? Hook me up to the power lines of your love. Hook me up to the power lines of your love. You can blame the newsman talking at you on the satellite TV. And if you're fighting for your shipyard, you might as well just blame the sea. Hey, Mr. Weatherman, come on over. Hook me up to the power lines on love. Jumpstart, tow me away. Jumpstart, tow me away.
Jumpstart or Tow Me Away.
Jumpstart told me away. You know, in all honesty, and this is not a critique, it is an honest opinion on the song. And probably a couple of songs of Jetro, not just this one. I wish Jetro had chosen someone to do specifically the vocals. Because this song was very powerful when music came in. It was very fast, it was upbeat when the music came in. But when the vocals were there, he needs a jump start. He's the one who needs a jump start. I mean, it does go well with the lyrics because he
He's
needs a
got
jump
kind
start.
of a sleepy
Yeah.
voice, you saying.
Yeah, but for a song like this, you need more energy, you need more passion, you need playful way of singing. You need to get more involved. Probably he does so many jobs alongside playing the flute and trying to justify that the vocals suffer a little bit.
I'll agree with you. I'll agree with you completely. And I definitely feel bands like Jethro Tull should have given a lot more importance to the other musicians. The last song is a classic example of it, where there was a piano and an acoustic guitar, but there were no solos. And that is ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous when the vocalist is dominating from almost the start to the end. Here, once again, there was much better music.
Yeah, I like the music.
Here the music was much better. This is more of what we need, and I'll absolutely agree with Kirti. The vocals,
They needed a dedicated
were
vocalist.
kind of sleepy and boring once again. Jumpstart or Tow Me Away, I would have towed him away. Towed him away.
I like the music. The music was so fantastic whenever it came. It would wake anybody up. It would make you into motion.
We've heard a lot of good songs, during the lockdown fest.
Yeah.
There's Tears for Fears, couple of songs of theirs, Shout, Everybody Wants to Rule the World. There's been the Monkeys, I'm a Believer. There's been Dion, The Wanderer. There's been Gnarls Barkley, Crazy.
Oh,
There's
great
been
vocals.
Baltimore, Tarzan Boy. There's been so many good songs here.
The jump in the line.
Jump in the Line, Harry Belafonte. Wow.
That's
Absolutely
vocals.
phenomenal.
That's vocals.
That's something that possibly Ian Anderson should have been hearing music like that,
Yeah, and
if he heard music
if I
like
have to
Harry
blame
Belafonte,
something- I have to blame
That's a
something.
great-
I would say I would blame band politics behind all of this, because someone wants to have the control over everything. I understand, but the music suffers because of that. Music does suffer, and you can hear it in certain.
to be absolutely fair, because I like Jethro Tull,
I
and this
also
is an
like them.
honest review. Absolutely fair, they do have much better songs than this, and maybe we've possibly done most of them, and so now we are getting to all the
Leftovers.
sticks and bones, and if you want to call it all the rubbish, that's what we have got to now. So possibly this was better than the earlier
This
song.
is musically
The
wow,
last
high
song was
class.
definitely brutally boring, with the son's head and all, or something like that being held in the mother's hand. It was getting creepy.
No, that was
it was
Daffodil.
getting violent. No, after that. Whatever.
That
it
was a daffodil.
it was getting quite violent.
It
for
was
me.
imaginary, and it was a
It was
lot
getting
of
pretty violent.
daydreaming.
And
I
here
think.
you have Jumpstart or Tow Me Away. Do you know exactly what he's talking about? Even?
I get it. I think I get it. He is bored in his life. This is exactly, he's bored in his life. We reacted to synchronicity of the police. You remember? Similar kind of situation. Probably. I'm just I'm just giving a best guess possible for the song, that he is bored of the most things that are happening around him, and he's saying either jumpstart or tow me away. I don't feel like moving anymore. I don't feel like
and,
participating
just to
anymore.
conclude this reaction, because I don't have much more to say. I think it's difficult. It's difficult, I know, for fans of any band or artist
This is
to listen to
how honest reaction.
reviews like ours, which are completely honest, brutally honest even at times. Definitely look it up, what honesty means in the Oxford English Dictionary.
A good
I
trusted
suppose
dictionary,
you will well know what Oxford English Dictionary is, considering Jethro Tull is a hardcore English band. So look it up, because it will help. It will help
They are
you
British
understand
band,
what
I
we are
think.
doing here. We are highly spontaneous. Whatever we say is in that moment. We are mindfulness experts. We believe in focusing on the now, being in the now. Whatever we say is impromptu, it's not prepared, it's not scripted. And I know it's difficult for people on YouTube and many people who watch reactions. It's really difficult for them to digest what we say
Get it on
because
the first listen,
there are no other reactors like us there.
You're not used to.
You have several of them who have ready-made scripts, who go through scripts on their laptop screens, and you can even look at it, zoom in and see it in their spectacles, or you can even see them looking at
I
it
mean, they don't claim
again
that they are
and
being
again.
spontaneous
They
anymore.
don't claim. They
Yeah.
don't claim like us that
They
they are
don't.
spontaneous or first-time listeners. If they are, they don't claim all that. So, to give them respect to, they are doing a job and they're doing it to the best of their limited abilities. But when we come here, of course, we are not doing anyone a favor and ourselves a favor by being dishonest. We'll always be honest. We'll always be to the point. And this required better vocals. Much better vocals. Who do you think would have done better instead of him?
Recently we reacted to the song of BTO.
PTO.
And I commented on the vocals, the playful, the
Ain't
free.
seen
Nothing yet. Ain't
Ain't seen nothing yet.
Yeah. You need that kind of energy in the song like this because the
I
music
don't know how
was
he did it.
phenomenal.
Yeah.
So you need crazy. Sometimes you have to unleash your beast from inside. That's what I was looking forward in this song, but you don't hear it because probably he just needs a jump start, and that's why you ain't seen nothing yet vocals.
The ridiculous and the ironic and even the sad part of it all is that most of the time we get requests of these retired bands
Yeah.
from UK and Canada and all that. And really, what use is our reviews or I sometimes wonder.
I know.
Because they are retired,
They
some
are
of them are
already done
dead.
with music,
And to talk about them
When we
honestly,
say things, yeah.
people think, oh, they're so bad, this person is dying, is infected with the coronavirus, or is dying, or is dead, and even his children are dead, and you have no sympathy.